Hello and welcome to Gumlet. In this video, we'll take you through uploading and setting up your first video. Start by navigating to the video library. From here, select the source from which you want to upload your videos. You can upload from your device, cloud storage like Dropbox or Google Drive, or platforms like Vimeo or Wistia. Once your videos are uploaded, it's time to set up our first video. Navigate to the video settings page. Here, you can modify the title and update the thumbnail of your video. To enhance viewer engagement, you can also add subtitles, video chapters, and CTAs. A crucial feature to set up is the video privacy. This feature allows you to control who can view your videos and whether you want to password protect them or keep them private. After making these changes, remember to save them. Let's also explore our publishing options. Here, you can copy the embed code and paste it onto any website. You can also update the embed settings according to your preferences. If you wish to embed the video in an email, you can do that as well. To share the video on its own individual page, click the Share URL. This is what your viewers will see. Now, let's return to the video library. Here you can quickly access the embed code and the Share URL of your video. Additionally, you can view the analytics of your videos to monitor their performance. And that's it. You have just uploaded and set up your first video. Thank you for watching.